Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm going to Target again today. I bought horsepower because I sold it, so I got it again. There's a back. There's horsepower, guys. Like I said, I really want the Megalodon. I haven't found it, but hopefully I do in the Grandma Gravedigger. Hopefully I do get those. The zombie as well. Austrian package, we know. Of course. Go ahead and crack it open. Ooh, okay, put the light on it. Here it is, guys, the horsepower. A brown roll cage, yellow rim to beat locks. So you can hear the bikes in the background. The paint feels different on this one. Paint feels like a matte on this one. The mane, the tail, and the ears. The teeth are pretty cool. Still 3D, of course. Gray chassis. The brown roll cage, horsepower. The back of the truck. So that was all I got today, guys. That's all I found. Matter of fact, like, subscribe, comment, share. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.